This tutorial will show you how to sign up for free access. So click the sign up for free access. Right now I'm creating just a made up name, but you would type in your name, your email, and if you also notice at the top, you can sign in with Google or Facebook. But right now we're just creating a fake name and a fake email, well, account, and a password. Don't forget the birthday, as it's highlighted in red up there. So we're going to put in a birthday for this fictional student or parent. And now it will allow you to sign up, and it will try to get you to do the Quizlet Plus. You do not need Quizlet Plus. You click continue to free Quizlet, and it will take you to the teacher's home page.